Hello everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today we'd like to show you one of our injector nozzle. So if you have any interest, please follow me. Let's see it together. Okay, firstly, let's see the outside packing. The product name here is Common Rail Injector Nozzle. And at here, this is the quantities, 10 sides of each pieces. One side is the label, the product code DLLA 155P863. OE number is 0934008630. Applicable inject number is 0950005921. By the way, as you can see, the label or the logo, etc., we Shumatt support customized service. Okay, now let's see the inside product. As you can see, inside packing can be better avoid damages during the transportation. High quality. On the surface, it prints the product code DLLA 155P863. At top here, you will see a needle inside. Each inject nozzle with Shumatt support 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed for this injector nozzle. Any questions, please leave us by the comments. Our professional salesman will contact you. Alright, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for staying at our channel. We will see you next time. Here, Caitlin, wish you have a good day. See you.